Without a plan, you run the risk of guardianship and probate. Perhaps even a complete stranger from the state managing your affairs and money in a cold and impersonal way. When you become incapacitated, unable to make your own legal, financial, or healthcare decisions for any reason, your family may have to seek a guardianship in court to manage your affairs. A guardianship is also sometimes called living probate. You can think of a guardianship as a limited power to oversee and assist you with your affairs under court approval. Guardianships place limits on the power of the guardian to do things like sell real estate. Guardianships are public record. If you and your spouse or children don't own things together or own things jointly, they will need a guardianship to be able to access accounts, like a 401k, IRA, or even a savings account just in your name, or sell real estate if needed. It doesn't matter if you've set up a beneficiary on the account because that only takes place after death. Mary never expected her husband John to have a major stroke when he was only 53. John pulled through, but was left with enough mental deficits that he needed help managing money and making healthcare decisions. He was also left with a few physical deficits that made climbing stairs hard. Mary needed to sell the house to downsize and get a single-level home that was easier to get around in. Mary had to, at an expense of time and money, hire an attorney to get a guardianship, go to court to get a ruling on the guardianship petition, get 3 appraisals on the home, petition the court, that is, ask for permission from the judge to sell the house, report the sale to the court with the sales information in it, which became part of the public record, report annually to the court how the money was used, repeat as needed, and if John needs Medicaid, hope that the judge will approve the spending plan. You lose the right to make your own fundamental decisions and manage your decisions. Your right to make decisions is given to somebody else you may not want to make them. Without a plan in place, that is a risk you take. If worse comes to worse, Adult Protective Services may be called in to take over your decision making. Adult Protective Services will not only take a guardianship over you, but will take you into custody and take over your affairs. Not only this, but you must also worry about probate and court challenges by disgruntled family members.